Hi friends, I am Dr. Usman Gane and today I am going to explain about the benefits of papaya. Number 1, boost digestion. Papaya boost digestion. It contains papain enzyme. It helps to break down proteins and improve digestion. Number 2, it relieves constipation. The papaya relieves constipations. It contains high fiber and water content that promotes bowel movements. Number 3, papaya supports heart health because papaya have vitamin C, E and A and help lower cholesterol and improves the health of heart and protect the heart, boost immunity because papaya packed with vitamin C, E and A which boost our immunity. Thank you.